Question 3, have a go. So we're going to be using this given formula a plus b to the power of n. A is 2, b is minus 3x, and n is 6. So we just substitute those straight in. N choose 1 is just, so basically for us 6 choose 1 is just 6 over 1. 6 choose 2 is 6 times 5 over 1 times 2. 6 choose 3 would have been 6 times 5 times 4 over 1 times 2 times 3. So that's where that term comes from. And remember, minus 3x all squared is 9x squared. So pop those into your calculator, you get that for your first 3 terms. Excuse me. Now for part B, this bracket times this bracket, well of course this bracket is what we dealt with in part A, so let's replace this with our expansion, these 3 terms. Now how can we get just a normal coefficient? The only way of doing that is 1 times 64. How can we get x's? Well, it can be the 1 times the minus 576, that generates some x's, hence that, and the other way of getting x's is the half x times the 64, which is this. So these are the 2 coefficients of x's, so pop that into your calculator, minus 544. How can we get some x squareds? Well, it's one lot of these x squareds, so the 2160. The only other way to generate some x squareds is this term times this term, so half times minus 576, which is this. Pop this into your calculator, you get plus 1872. They are the first 3 terms.